What's going on, YouTube universe? It's a me, Too Much a Geek Guy here. And, yeah, things are about to get hot in here. This is the MT-920 Propane torch. I have no idea what company it's made by, but it was sent to me to review. So let's do a review on it. It's not going to be very detailed, but I did do a little bit of a comparison to something similar. And, well, let's just rock with it. So here we go. So it's a propane torch, obviously. If you got those little green canisters laying around, this would be a perfect opportunity to put one of those to use. So it's pretty lightweight, mostly a plastic type material. You can see some of the metal pieces, obviously. Here's a simple little unlock and lock push button. Bam, done. Unlocked. Oh, locked. And here's your on and off button. So you want to make sure that's off, of course, before you install your propane. Here's the ignition source. So it has a igniter, which is this push button on the back here. And I'll try to show you a better picture of that, but that's what you'll use to ignite the flame once you turn the propane on. Then you have a little trigger, and this trigger basically excels the flame. So it goes from torch to super blowtorch when you pull that trigger. And yeah, it's pretty, I don't know, a little surprising first time you use it, and the thing's got some force behind it, but let's give this thing a go. Let's see what we can torch up. So, everyone's got those annoying little weeds growing somewhere in your yard. Yeah. Bye-bye, weed. Of course, there's obvious other uses, such as lighting wood at your campfire. And, yeah, I have no doubt this thing will probably light that wood up pretty quick, damp or dry. And I'll be using it for that at some point, just not today. Let's do a little comparison here. So what kind of torch do I have? This is it, the Snowpeak GT-120. Different type of fuel, but the only thing I had to compare it to. This uses the isobutane fuel and still gives you some solid burn energy, and you know, why not? Let's just compare them real quick. Same as the MT-920, you have an adjustment knob for low and high for the fuel, the flame, but this has no trigger, so that's not fun. Another item to compare is ignition source, and for this you have to have a match or lighter. There is no igniter button or switch to use, so there's another difference for you. And on to the next candidate, weed number 2. Yep, same work, same burn. Sorry to all my plant lovers out there, but these things need to grow elsewhere. And yeah, this thing did a really nice job. Maybe a little quicker. I should check the BTUs and see what the difference is. All right, some quick stats here. We got looks like it's rated for 180,000 and up to 700,000 BTUs, and seems like a generic brand. Kind of famous on TikTok, I guess you could say, and it gets up to 3,200 degrees Fahrenheit to 3,800. Ooh, that's hot. And ideal for, as you just saw, weeding, melting ice, starting bonfires, and if you're into cooking, there's some culinary searing you could do, sous vide, and light welding. And yep, that's the MT-920 Propane torch. And yeah, compared to the Snowpeak gets up to about 14,000 BTUs. It's, I would say, definitely lightweight compared to this. More so for if you're willing, maybe some backpacking, but also car camping, different type of fuel, and yeah, definitely a little bit more, I guess you could say, storable, since it does fold on itself, as this is just pretty much one torch, one long torch gun. Would I recommend? I definitely have to use it a couple more times. Easy to use, obviously, and yeah, right now I'll give it I give it a 8.5 out of 10, just for maybe if it was a little bit more portable, but obviously it's not that bad. So if you're interested, I'll probably have a link in the description, and go get yourself one. Have fun. Too Much Gear Guy out.